Feeling ko, oh my God, kalibango naman yun ko. Uy, mulugwa na yun yung igit. Bakit ayaw mo akong pakinggan, ha? Nga nung ganun man ikaw. Inibig mo siya, hindi ka inibig. Kailangan mong mag-let go.
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
Good morning, everything! Nakaligo na tayo. Hold on guys ha, pasok tayo sa bedroom. Naghubads, Mr. Off muna tayo. Kukunin ko lang yung mga nahakot namin ni Tami sa isang bahay. Kaka-ano ko lang yan, ka-blue dry. Kasi sobrang ginawan din. Ang plano ko guys, magpunta sa bahay. Ngayon, 10 o'clock na. Ang gusto ko, sobrang aga. Pero itong asawa ko, matagal. 10 o'clock na, and then mag-ano ako dun. Magtampisaw ka. Sandali. Maghanap na lang kami ng car inspection. Kasi tumatawag si Tami guys sa mga na magka-car inspection. So ngayon, wala silang available. Noon, hindi kami tumatawag. Pumupunta lang kami. Pero may isa kasing lugar na pinupuntahan namin palagi. Sabi pa nila, dapat daw tumawag. Okay. Tignan natin kung ano to. Naka-coat tayo guys dahil maginaw talaga sa labas. Let me see what is this, Han. Is this outdoor thing, Han?
What's that?
Crystal shit. Oh,
It
no.
can be outdoor because it's crystal, but that one is not supposed to be outdoor.
Oh, no, it's not. For in. What is the, where's the stand? There is a stand of that.
I imagine there's going to be something for the lights underneath.
Let's try. Oh, the
What extra light?
huh?
Does it need batteries?
Batteries? What battery? Oh, there is a light in there. Let me try this mask. I kinda doesn't like this kind of mask. Kasi hindi talaga ako makahinga sa mga ganito. Parang walang spacing dito sa ilong at bibig ko. Maganda yung medical mask kasi parang may space ba dito sa ilong at bibig. Kasi hindi worth it. Mga box na ito. Ayaw niya, gusto niya mag-stay dito guys. Pero parang sabi ko, dito ka na lang sa bahay. Para walang, dito ka na lang. Kung ay hindi ka naman din mag-impacting. So, sabi pa niya, pag-isipan daw niya. Pero I think napag-desisyon na niya sumama kasi naligo. Naligo agad-agad. Pag naligo, pagkatapos mong ligo din siya agad. So, meron tayong labahan. Mga washcloth. Ang dami talagang washcloth. Ay. And then, Tami doesn't use washcloth. And then, there's a lot of washcloth. There is a switch in under. Look. Guys, look.
Yeah, I'll do that in a minute.
Yeah, this one doesn't belong here, oh.
Why not?
Starving kitten.
That's what they are, starving.
Starving. Starving. Ving.
Right, you guys are just starving to death. Excuse me, I know where the bucket is. I don't need you to point it out. Ew. Give me a room right here.
So, ngayon, hindi na lang kami magpunta sa isang bahay. Magpunta na lang kami, maghanap na lang kami ng ng sasakyan. Kasi itong isa, ng oras? Bukas ako na lang yung aalis. Ayaw ko nang maghintay. Ang tagal niya guys, ang tagal. Let me put some lipstick because para naman may color itong ko.
Oh, we need lipstick. We're going to an auto place.
Well, I'm vlogging and my lips is kind of pale. And do you want me to help you put makeup?
I think not.
Come here, makeup. Come, makeup.
I can just use spray paint in the garage.
Huh?
I can use spray paint in the garage.
Huh?
It took $22 whatever it was down there.
Yeah.
Where's it coming?
That's not mine, that's yours.
Oh, you put it back in your pocket.
I don't have no more money.
Yeah.
You took it all.
Huh?
What does that mean? Huh?
Ask your viewers, what does that mean?
What does that mean, honey?
Ask your viewers, what does that mean?
What does that mean?
World's smallest violin is playing for you.
Han, where is my shoes?
Oh, you got a couple out here.
Huh?
You got 3 pairs out here.
3 pairs, my ass. I don't have shoes. You don't get me none.
One sneakers and 1 slippers.
Your wife no
And
shoes.
then you got sneakers over there, slippers over there. And you got slippers on your feet, you got more, and another sneaker.
Yeah. Pataka raman kung kagod. Pataka! Nagyaw-yaw ng... Pataka lang, badya. Ambot ni mo dong. Wajud kay lami. Lami kay kang kilawon ba? Way suka-suka. Kilaway suka-suka. Ang pangit naman ng kilaw ng suka. Way. So ito, hindi tayo makapagpak. Kasi ito, tinuyuan talaga. Gituyo-tuyo yun lagi. Na magpalangan-langan. Para hindi tayo makalakaw. Makapunta doon. Kuha tayo ng ano. Kasi tinapon ko na yung mask na isa. Kasi pugaw na siya, guys. Kailangan kong kukuha na naman ng isa. Nagulat ako. My mask is dirty. I'll throw it out na. It's a lot of makeup.
That's when you try a new mask.
It's wash, Han. Okay, explain what happened.
They're by appointment, so you gotta do it by appointment. He said everybody needs an appointment now because it's COVID crap.
So tomorrow,
So he said tomorrow 9:30 in the morning.
9:30. So malapit lang siya sa bahay din, guys. So yun. And then, so ngayon, what is that? So punta na lang kami sa Walmart para bibili ng pagkain ng mga alaga.
Cigarette ash, it looks like snow when it falls in the wind, you know. And you, oh you say you wanna die.
Okay, so you're staying here?
Not loud.
I won't let you go.
Yeah.
I won't let you go. Let you go. Bullet. Iwan muna natin si Tommy kasi he can spin a lot further if he go there. So, bye-bye. So, what do you need? Cat treats. Rug. Soft siya. Oh. Maganda yung mga rug nila dito. Ito din. Oh. Okay. So, let's get some egg and food. We forgot to bring the bag. Huh? I am done. I am done with this grocery thing. Anyway, so what's going on? What are you looking for, really?
I was looking for
That size?
picture that she had sent us. Like,
Okay. Yeah.
Ahead this hour, we are just days, maybe just hours away from the... Pennsylvania and Wisconsin. And joining us right now to talk about the case, attorney for President Trump, Jordan Sekulow.
Wali,
Jordan,
ignore.
thanks so much for being with us here on
Ignore
Wake Up
yung beauty
America.
natin, guys. He doesn't wanna kiss me. Ignore my beauty.
All right, driver.
So guys, parang wala kami pagkain sa bahay ngayon. Burger King na naman daw siya.
On this election, who knows?
Naloka ako.
I'm guessing we may never know.
Ay, ginoo ko.
We talked about sedition
Pabangit
earlier. I
taon,
want to
mga
talk about
langit.
secession for the state to secede from the
No,
U.S.
Han.
Kevin
No, I'm good.
Biederman.
Thank you. Go. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Basta lalabas kami, pagkain yung iniisip. Hindi ko na alam kung bakit ganito yung buhay. Joke lang. May karapatan naman siya kumain ng kahit sa ano-ano, pero gusto daw niya ng burger. Sabi ko, may mga burger naman tayong ginawa doon sa sa bahay natin. Bakit hindi mo yun lutuin dong? As in, yung kami talagang gumawa. Gusto talaga niyang Burger King. One of his favorite also, except Taco Bell. Taco Bell is different, but Burger King is one also. Anyway guys, bumili lang ako. Ang binili ko lang sa grocery store, a bell pepper, egg, dog food, cat treats, and onion, broccoli. Yun lang yung ko binili kasi kaya ako na yung pumasok doon sa Walmart kasi si Tami kasi guys kapag pumasok nandun wala na guys, walang katapusan na yun. Saka also nagmamadali ako guys kasi nung pumunta ako nandun ako sa loob sa frozen section na ako, naginawan yung tiyan ko guys. Alam nyo guys, gusto akong malibang para akong dinadaria diarrhea ba. Feeling ko, oh my god, kalibango naman yun ko. Uy, mulugwa na yun yung igit. Pasensya na sa kumakain. So sabi ko, nagmamadali ako guys. Nasuka ako kaya nag-take ako. Buti na lang na meron akong mga yung candy sa loob ng bag ko. Look. Oh, ito yun, ginamit ko. Ito, oh. Candy kasi kapag magutom or mahihilo ako, meron akong kukunin sa bag. Kaya meron akong mga ganito. Are you happy?
I am.
Oh, he's happy with his freaking burger.
Which?
Why you guys ala? It's just you eating. No, put it.
Spicy
in.
nuggets.
No, I don't want.
Spicy.
Eat it when there's no camera.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
So, are you happy with your order?
Am I older? No, I'm smelly.
Han, may camera. Uy, ginoo ko, Lord. Mahulog kayo, guys. Tommy won't buy me another camera, but I can buy myself another Camry. And
Camry is a Toyota.
Camry. You go that way, honey, because
I
it's
know
nice.
which way I'm going.
Guys, sabi ko, guys, hindi ako kakain ng bili niya. Ang baba
There's french fries in there too. I have to wait for them.
I said I'm not eating. I was. Why are you buying stuff? We have food in the house. Why you do that? Can I eat? Guys, coconut oil for our hair. Han. I got makeup remover because wala na ako. My favorite Neutrogena. And I got the refill too. And then yun lang yung mga binili ko. And then plus yung ni Tami. Dunkin Donut. Oh no, that's not Dunkin Donut. Burger King. Ito siya guys. I don't know if this is refrigerated.
Probably not until after opening it.
Huh?
Was it
It
on a
doesn't
shelf
say
when
anything.
you got it?
Huh?
Was it on a shelf when you got
Yeah,
it?
yeah.
Then it doesn't need to be refrigerated until after you open it. It'll say that on the...
No, I don't say. Can you look?
Ay.
Doesn't say anything, huh? On the refrigerator, they go to sleep. Get hard.
That's true. It
L.
doesn't say anything about refrigerating, so I'm guessing not.
Okay. I'll be loving you forever. I will. I'm not, honey, don't force me, hon. Why you're forcing me? I don't need this. Honey, why you open my mouth?
Top life.
That's it. Guys, ito yung nangyayari sa amin ni Tami, guys. Busy siya sa cellphone. Ako din busy sa cellphone. Ang ginawa ko, ganito na lang ako. Nakaharap sa bubong. Nakaharap sa dingding. Sabi ko, Bakit ayaw mo akong pakinggan, ha? Nganong ganun man ikaw ang lagi. Pagkatapos yun, sabi ko, honey, tignan mo! Tapunan kita ng vajayjay. Ginanon ko, piyong! Piyong! Sabi pa niya, uy, what did you see, Han? What did you say about when my vajayjay is throwing to your face? Oh, it's removable. Sabi niya, oh, it's removable. Sabi ko, I hope it's removable, guys. Para ilagay ko ito sa ano? Sa noo ko. Noo ba itong forehead? Sa agtang ko, sa agtang. Ay, nako. Nakatingin lang kasi, na-busy kasi siya sa ano? Sa cellphone. Ako din, na-busy din sa kakalaro. Kasi wala akong kausap. Nag-edit ako and then naglaro after. Wala akong kausap. Kinausap ko yung buong. And then, tinapunan ko siya ng vajayjay ko. Sabi pa niya, it's removable pa pala ito. Sabi ko, sana naman removable ito, ano? Product of the Philippines. Naganap ako kung i-refrigerate ba ito. Wala namang nakalagay, guys. Nakita ko din ito sa YouTube, mga ginagamit sa mga tao. So, and, hold on, guys, ah. May mga onion pa pala ako dito, guys. Tika muna, guys, ha. May mga onion pa pala ako dito sa refrigerator. Gamitin natin itong old na onion. Gusto ko ng colorful na bill paper, guys. Ayaw ko yung boring. Tignan natin. Marami man yung ano. Ito ba ang dahilan kung ba't ako'y naglalakbay? Uy, patay na pala si April Boy Regino, ano? Oh my God. May cancer yun, di ba? Si April Boy. Patay na pala. Ano yung mga kanta niyang sikat? Ko kayang tanggapin na mawawala ka na sa akin. Napakasakit na marinig na ayaw mo na sa akin. With action pa talaga, no? Ay, ang buhay ng tao, guys, hindi talaga natin malalaman. I've been looking for my camera. I can't find it. What is wrong with the camera that I have? Where are you? Oops. Andyan pala kayo. Itong asawa ko, andyan pala kayo nagtatago. Ginoo ko. Itong asawa ko, maraming mga anik-anik. Look, kita nyo dito. Ang daming sauce. So ngayon, hahanapin niya ito. Sabihin niya, bakit? Asan mo nilagay yan? Ilagay natin sa container para hindi maging makalat tignan. Kasi ang kalat ng asawa ko, hindi ko na alam kung anong gagawin ko sa buhay ko. Look. Oh my God. Oh my God talaga. Pabayaan natin yung hanapin natin niya yan. So ngayon, linisin natin ito dito. Nagluluto po tayo mga ka-everything. Gusto ko lang yung sausage mag-brown. And then, gusto din ni Tami ito, bell pepper, ano na siya, parang wala na. Parang hindi na siya buo-buo na ano. So, yan. So, and also, nanonood ako ng video ni Doc Adam. Nakakatawa kasi daming issue sa YouTube about mga health thingy. What, are you starving? Do you want your din-din na? You have to tell Dada that you want your din-din. Dada's on the phone again. Do you want din-din? Do you want your din-din? You're starving. Do you want something to eat? Gutom naman na, oy. My baby is gutom na. I love you. Mama want to trim your hair, okay? When are we gonna do that? Do you wanna do it today? Tomorrow? Next week? Can we do that next week? Love, love. Love, love. Hello, baby. Wait. Listen. Don't give me sideways. Side look. Hey! Yung mata mo ba? Pitlukon ko na rin. Pitlukon. Ito talagang asawa ko, guys. Nako. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that. He doesn't want to feed his kids. See, they're starving.
At 4 o'clock afternoon, no, I do not. Start giving them dinner at 9 a.m. soon.
They're starving, baby.
Huh? If you feed them every hour of every day, they will eat every hour of every day. And they're constantly looking, no matter what. And I'm the same way. So you can't feed me yet.
You always want food every hour.
I'm bored, or I see food, or I smell food, I want it.
You see seafood?
Seafood,
Seafood. I miss seafood salad.
say, I'm on a seafood diet. Like seafood, I eat it.
Seafood diet. Anyway, guys, look, hindi pa ako tapos dito eh. My kids are starving. I feel bad. My rice has been cooking here, guys, for a while na. Hindi, wala pa rin. Ningbutod na lang akong rice. Hindi pa rin. Wala, hindi pa rin naluluto. I think this rice cooker, honey. Huh? This rice cooker need to go.
Why, is that it?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy a new one, even a smaller version.
What did it do?
It won't cook anymore. Gutom na ako. Kanina pa akong nagluluto ng rice. Ano ng oras? 5 o'clock na. Wala pa rin. Kanina pa yan. Akala ko luto na. Kailangan nang i-let go. Mag-let go na tayo. Katulad ng talaga ng pag-ibig na hindi ka inibig. Inibig mo siya, hindi ka inibig. Kailangan mong mag-let go. Katulad lang sa rice cooker na ginamit mo na habang taon and then iniwan ka na. Bubuto yan at magsasabog pa. So, wag ninyong pugos-pugusin. Let go. Hi, guys. Hello, everything. Akala ko may laman. Refill lang talaga siya pala. Refill. So, that means ilagay natin siya dito. Konti lang naman ako mag-ano, guys, foundation. Sobrang konti lang. Maganda siya sa sa mata, yung mascara. Makukuha talaga yung mascara. Dry na at basa pa eh. Basa pa siya. Mag-edit na lang din ako ng video. Pahinga na lang, and then mag-edit. Alam nyo, guys, Pasko na pala, diba? Malapit na yung Pasko. Wala talaga akong wala akong maisip. Meron naman akong naisip na para sa kanya. Pero hindi ko alam kung papayagan niya ako. Kasi mahirap yan bilhan ng gift. Pero gusto ko talaga sapatos. Sapatos niya. I think I'm going to do that. I'm gonna start looking tonight. Pero ang pinakamaganda talaga sa Amazon din is maaga siya. 2 days kapag Prime, 2 days darating na dito. So, yun yung pinakamaganda. Ang problema dito is kapag mag-order ako, makikita niya. Kasi account namin yung dalawa. So, I think yun na lang. Bahala na malaman. Bye, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I hope I will see you guys tomorrow. So, kita-kits tayo bukas, okay?